Biting, mouthing and chewing is one of the most common complaints of new puppy owners. It's really important, though, to remember that puppies explore the environment with their mouths. They also use their mouths in play, and also they need to chew and mouth when they're teething. So it's important that we don't stop them, but we redirect it in the right way. Now, one way of doing this is to allow your puppy to get out and play with other puppies, because that's how they learn to inhibit their bite. If one puppy plays a bit too hard and gives a bite that's a bit too much for the other dog, they generally yelp. And that's when the play stops. So the puppy learns that by biting too hard, there is no fun to be had. So it's a good way for them to learn how to inhibit their bite. Puppies, of course, are renowned for chewing your socks, your sneakers, the kids' toys, your underwear. And this is because it smells like us and they don't know any different. So we can't punish them or tell them off because they do need to chew. Give them something that they can actually get their teeth into that's designed for puppies. These are the VitaPet soft chicken tender chews. So this is really good when they're teething in particular, or if they just want to really get into something. We give them an appropriate chew to get their teeth stuck into instead of our hands. Now, the other thing to do as well is to make sure that we redirect it. So the best thing to do is either remove them, just giving them no access to your hands at all, and certainly not encouraging it, but instead diverting it. So when your puppy goes to bite your hand, you have to get the timing really right. You instead get the treat or a chew toy, something that they can get their teeth into instead, into their mouth, so they're connecting with that first and not your hand. The other really important thing to do is just not encourage them to bite when they're a puppy. Make sure if the kids are playing with the dog and it starts to bite them, stand up, remove access, get their hands away, totally ignoring it. Do not give the dog what it wants. The dog, again, soon learns that when they're not allowed to actually connect with you and all the fun stops, then they learn that that's a behaviour that they're not meant to be doing. Now, these chews are really good because, as I said, you can leave them alone. If you crate train your puppy, which I really recommend, you can leave them alone so they can use it as an occupier as well, and it just really gets their jaws moving. So that's another really good one too. Remember, puppies don't grow out of problem behaviour, they grow into it. So let's set them up right from the very beginning. To find more puppy tips or to find out about the VitaPet puppy treat range, visit their website.